Hi guys, welcome back to the Core Python programming course. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Boolean data type. So Boolean data type is the most basic data type in computers because there are just two values in computers, either true or false, 0 or 1. So Boolean data type is the most basic and the fundamental data type in programming. So Boolean data type has two divisions. One is called true and another is called false. So true means is value is equal to its value is equal to 1, and false means its value is equal to 0. So in next video you see that here you see that true's value is 1 and false value is 0. Just remember that true means 1, false is 0, even a blank string. So in this example which I have taken, we initialized a with a true value and b with false value, and I put a string variable and I just put two double quotes. It also means false. It evaluates to 0. It means false. This evaluates to 0, and a equal to true evaluates to 1. So that's the basic thing about Boolean data type. True means 1, false means 0. So in this program, what I've done is just a if statement. I'll make a detailed video about if statements and else statements in separate video. But for this video, just remember if statements are just conditions. It's used for evaluating a condition. So here I have initialized the variable a. It's a variable. I've initialized with 10, and with the variable b, I have initialized the variable b with 20. So of course 10 is less than 20, right? If 10 is less than 20, so if 10 is less than 20, then go to this statement. So I have put a statement. So that's a statement here. Then go to this statement. If this condition, if that condition is false, if that condition is false, then don't execute this statement. If it is true, then it goes inside this. If this statement equals to false, then don't go into that statement. And if the if the statement evaluates to true, then go inside the statement. So this statement, you see there's the indentation. You have to leave a gap or space, and print a is less than b. So a is less 10 is less than 20, so a is less than b. So here we are getting the output. So output is here, a is less than b. All right, I hope you understood. If you don't understand, write in the comments and I can clarify the doubt for you. There's nothing, just simple. Like if statement, that is this if statement evaluates to 1. So here in this you see in, let me just rub it, I'll just do it again. So in, in this evaluation, that is a less than b, here the computer sees it as 1. So the value 1 is that. So that's why if 1. So what is meaning by if 1? If 1 means that statement is true. So if the statement is true, it will go inside that function, or it will go inside this if statement. Okay. So in the next in the next PPT. So in this statement, 10 is greater than 5. So this statement is true, right? 10 is greater than 5, true. So true is stored in A. So when you print A, you can see it's printing true. 5 is greater than 10. This statement is false, right? So this statement equals to false, and false is stored in B. I'll show that again. False is stored in B. So when you print B, it's showing false. Next, we know true evaluates to 1 and false evaluates to 0. So true plus true, that is 1 plus 1, print 1 plus 1, that is true. Here 1 minus 0 is 1. So when you print it, it's saying 1. Alright. So that's all about this video. Just a Boolean data type. It's a basic data type in the programming. And that's all. Just remember, true means 1, false means 0. And in this, just remember this if statement. I'll make a detailed video about it in the upcoming videos. But just know that if this statement is true, this will execute. If this statement is false, this won't execute. Alright. So that's why A less than B means true. So it evaluates to, once again, let me rub that. So this evaluates to true, right? Means 1. So this A minus B will become true, or meaning 1, and we'll go and say the statement. So that's all about true and false, or zeros and ones.